Volcano with. You're going to need baking soda. You're going to need some vinegar. You are going to need clay. Well, clay is optional, and a water bottle. Mine had some holes, so I had to cover it with duct tape. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your water bottle inside your tray. Next, which this part is optional, but you can cover it with clay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, now that it's covered in clay, I'm going to pour in some baking soda, and it doesn't really matter that if you want a bigger explosion, you're going to want more baking soda and more vinegar. So I probably put in about 1 tablespoon. And next you're going to pour in your vinegar. And this is best to probably do outside because of what's going to come next. All right. And there you have it.